Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the workshop. I've been asked by a friend of mine to turn this wrench. It's obviously a broken wrench. You can see right here on the end. He wants me to make it into a letter opener. So it's a 3/4 inch great neck wrench. The goal here is to leave the box end portion of the wrench here intact. Don't really do any forging on it. And then I figure what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in with a bandsaw and cut this part off up here, and then forge it probably into a dagger is what we discussed. So I'll be leaving a section of this alone, probably just working up here at this front part. So that's the game plan. Let's see if we can do it. Let's get it thrown in the forge and get to work. Alright, so I'm going to run over the grinder. There's a little bit of a lip there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Maybe this way would be better. Yeah, this little lip right here, I can't get it to focus very well, but I'm going to go over and I'm going to grind that lip off, because if not, when I start forging this, it's going to push it down. It's going to form a cold shut. So I'm going to grind that off, kind of round the tip here, and get rid of that circular portion up here, because if not, that'll form what they call a carp mouth, and we're not forging fish, we're forging a knife, so don't want that. So here's where we are. I'm going to take a Sharpie and kind of draw around the edges here to get my profile lined out. And then we're going to grind the profile, grind the bevels, and then we'll decide whether or not we're going to do some little scallops along this handle here. Alright, off to the grinder. As easy as this was to cut on the bandsaw with it in its hardened state, and I say that with quotations, I don't really look for this to harden up when I quench it in oil, but I'm going to anyway. So we'll see how it turns out. So just as expected, it didn't harden. I didn't figure it would. Some wrenches will, some won't. This being a cheap wrench, I didn't really figure it would in the first place, but this is a novelty item. This is going to be a letter opener. More than likely it won't really ever get used for that purpose. It will probably spend its life on a shelf, but yeah, so the file bit in like crazy, which is pretty much what I expected. So I'm going to jump on the grinder and go ahead and get all this cleaned up, and we're going to get this finished up right quick. Alright, there's how it turned out. Pretty happy with it. You ought to like it. Be a cool looking little letter opener, one of a kind for sure. With that being said, I appreciate you joining me on this build. Hit that sub button if you would. And ring the notification bell and be notified of the new content as it posts. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.